Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, January 23rd, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to go over the new VIP package that GotBackup is offering now to all of its members. All right, this is something that can 3 times your monthly residual income and take your marketing to a whole nother level. All right, so I'm going to share my screen here. All right, and I'm going to show you. I'm just going to go through this really quickly with you, okay? So it says the most amazing VIP business building membership ever created. Double your conversions and increase your commissions up to 300%. Create your own affiliate pages and links with our powerful page builder to destroy your competition. Be unique. Host all your custom pages on your own domain name that you own. Get 5 more high converting email campaigns added to your lead capture system and create congratulatory posts and opt-in pages on the fly. So again, this is only, you have to be a member of GotBackup to see this page, but so if you're brand new to this, you're not going to see this. Okay. There's no sales page for this specifically. In other words, I'll give you the page to go to after I'm done going through this if you're interested in joining. But when you get on this page, there's a 4-minute and 48-second video that goes over everything here that you can watch. There's a webinar replay that Joel Terrian did with us a few weeks ago where he goes over everything. And what you're going to get with the VIP package is you're going to get VidUber, okay? And now remember, all these add-ons here are from Joel and from GVO, the parent company, Global Virtual Opportunities. So these are all in-house products that you're going to get added to your back office and GotBackup to take your marketing to a whole nother level, all right? And it also 3 times your commissions for residual. All right. And I'll explain that too. But so bonus number 1 you're going to get is VidUber. You can stream, create, and host up to 100 videos. The value is $299.96 per year. It says create your own videos or use our professionally edited sales videos on any pages that you create. Lightning fast streaming speeds and 100% reliability. As a sponsor, it is important to build your trust and personal brand with your team, and video is the best thing to generate trust and sales fast. All right, video marketing is the way to go, folks. Whether you like being on video or not, you can do YouTube videos, either way. But I recommend just putting yourself out there. You don't have to be perfect. Just make a video, start getting used to making videos, go live on Facebook and YouTube, and just start getting in the habit of doing that, because video marketing is, in my opinion, the best marketing. Okay. So bonus number 2 is Memory Place. Create up to 10 events for an amazing time capsule of life. This is valued at $299.97 per year. Memory Place fits in perfect with GotBackup. This unique system allows people to create events. When people attend those events, every single guest at the event can share with you all the pictures and videos that they took at the event in real time. Absolutely perfect for family gatherings, reunions, graduations, and weddings. It's truly like having hundreds of photographers working for you. Whatever they take, you will instantly receive in your Memory Place vault. When people share their pics and videos, it generates you a massive amount of leads on autopilot. All right, so basically how this works is you'll send somebody a link. Say you're at a family reunion. You're going to send everybody a link, okay? Or a better example is every year we go on a family reunion vacation, okay? This year we're going to Virginia Beach in August. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up one of these events in Memory Place. I'm going to share it with all my family, send them a link. They're going to have to, put in their information in order to use it. So whenever they take a picture, it's going to be sent right to me, and I'll get all their contact information. Okay. So it's pretty cool. I mean, it's actually a genius tool. Bonus number 3 is personal promo links. Create your very own unique promo and opt-in pages. This is valued at $249 a year. People are attracted to success. Create your personal to you only promo links that are tied directly to rank recognition posts. This has been designed for massive lead generation. Create your own personal promo links and use many of our already designed lead capture pages. These pages have been designed and tested to give you the best possible conversions. And I'll show you this in the back office here in a minute. Bonus number 4 is custom domain name link. Use your domain for promo links. Receive 4 promo links that are automatically set up to email campaigns. So this is valued at $199 per year. You get more marketing power with an increase for more customized promo links for you to use. Email campaigns will be set and ready to go for your immediate follow-up. This has been designed for you to have multiple lead funnels and a wider reach. Use your own domain name for all of your promo links. This is actually a safety net to ensure that social media giants do not block out your marketing strategies. Simply, they cannot touch you, and you minimize the risk of them blocking or deleting your material. If you do not have a domain name, no worries. You can now get one from your GBU members area. So instead of having everyone promoting the same tour link, you can go and use a custom link. And I'm going to show you that after I'm done going through this really quick. Okay. So you can become a valued VIP business builder today. Again, you have to be a member of GotBackup already, but you get the VidUber that's valued at $299.64 a year. You get Memory Place, which is valued at $299.97 a year. The personal promo links is $249 a year, and the domain name promo links is $199 a year. A total of $1,047.61 per year, or that breaks down to $87.30 a month. Right now, you can get it for $24.97 a month, or you can pay and get 2 months free by paying for the year, all right, or $249.70. Now, I'm not 100% sure when the price is going to go up on this. At some point, this is going to go up, and it might have already. I'm logged into my Main Island Soap account, and that's how I'm on this page. This is for our soap company. So the pricing might have gone up to 25 or to $29.97, okay, which would equate to $299.70 for the year. But either way, it's still a tremendous value for everything that you get here, to have everything in-house to where you can build your own pages, use your own links, record your own videos, set up the Memory Place, which is awesome. So I can't guarantee you that the price is still $24.97. It could be $29.97. But either way, it's still an awesome deal. And I'm going to show you really quick inside my back office. All right, so here we're in my back office, and you can see right under here is the VIP access. And when you start here, now if you don't have a domain name, that's no problem. You can see here, I have russfi.com, and I recommend you use your name. You want to brand yourself if possible, because I think that's, people join people. They don't join opportunities and businesses. They join people. So I think it's always best to brand yourself. And if you can use your name, if you can get your name as a .com, that's the best in my opinion. And that's what Linda Cromar teaches in our Monday night trainings. Okay. So what you do, if you don't have a domain, you can get a domain name right through GBU. Okay. If you want to. Otherwise, it's very simple to set this all up, but I have it set to russfi.com. Here are the custom promo pages. Right, so you're going to get all these pages here. You can also create pages, and you can see stats, as far as clicks and all of that. Now, these are pretty cool here. I'm going to show you this one. These are the ranked promotion pages. So if you have somebody on your team that's doing really good, you can add their image here. You can edit this however you want to. I created one when I went platinum in this company, and this is what the page looks like. So you can do a preview here, and that's what this page looks like, which I think is really attractive looking. It definitely catches the eye. And, so if you're a copper or bronze or gold or platinum or emerald or ruby or whatever you are, you can go and create this not only for yourself, but for other people on your team if you want to praise them, okay? Or show that other people on your team are having success. You can do that with this. Then we have Memory Place here. All right, which I haven't set up any events for this yet. So, but you would do that right here. You can create 10 events. And, Joel in the webinar and everything, he goes into more detail about this because he uses this for like weddings and things of that nature. And it's pretty interesting. It's pretty neat. And then we have our video streaming sharing with VidUber. I'm sorry this is taking so long to load. I don't understand why. But this, you can upload and record videos here. There's training videos that go over everything if you need to, if you need help on how this works and whatnot. Excuse me. But it's super simple to use. I mean, you can upload videos, you can record a video. So anyway, that is the VIP package, folks. This will 3 times your monthly commissions if you have it. Another thing you have to take note of is that in order to receive commissions from people in your downline, you have to have the VIP package. All right. So in other words, if you have somebody that you brought in and they upgrade to the VIP package and you don't have it, that commission is going to go up to the next person that qualifies to receive it. Okay. So it's important to upgrade to the VIP package. It helps the company as far as revenue goes, which in turn helps everybody's binary bonuses every month. And it's a way to 3x your monthly residuals. So if you have any questions about anything pertaining to the VIP or GotBackup in general, just leave them down in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're interested in joining GotBackup, you want to go to joinruss.com. All right, it's down here scrolling on the bottom of the screen. Joinruss.com. The link will also be below this video somewhere. You can click on that. It'll take you over to our tour page where there's a very short video that you can watch. It goes into great detail about our company and how it works. And if it's something that resonates with you, you simply enter your name and email address and you can take a free tour. You'll get sent to a temporary back office where you can learn more about this awesome opportunity and see if it's something for you or not. Okay. So I love GotBackup. I think it's the best network marketing business opportunity in 2024. It's back GVO. They've been in business since 1997. I love everything about the company. The owner's very transparent. Their corporate team is awesome. The support team is awesome. And there's a lot of, I think the future is very, very bright with GotBackup. So it's the only home-based business opportunity that I work with now. And I can't wait to see where this year goes. So if you have any questions, like I said, leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.